Hello mates, how about this for a hardtop hoist to put the top back on the FJ. Here we go, little hillbilly action going on. There it is, let's go up there and check it out. Got my little friction device here to hold it in place when I lift it, and I want to hold it stationary. Let's go up here and see what we got. We got a little mechanical advantage. Let's see here. We got the load. We got one, two, and then three. So that is a 3-to-1 mechanical advantage. Nothing hold it in place, no need to, because the weight itself is going to hold it. So here we go.